how to like an Instagram note. After an update, if you guys didn't know, you can like Instagram notes. Before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. On that note, let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram and then you can go to your messages section right here. And from here, you can see all of the notes that your friends have posted at the top. So above the messages, you can see the notes. If you want to add yours, you can add your notes here. So you can do that. And if you want to like the note, you simply just tap on the note. And here you will see a like button like this. So this says that you have liked their note. They will be notified that they have liked your note. So and if you want to send anything else, you can send a heart like so. And that's how you can reply to a note and also like their note. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.